Oyagala okumanya ebiriwo, ebyaliwo, oba ebigenda okubaawo. Program Tambula n'okumanya Gose. Tambula n'okumanya ku MRU TV ne Royal FM. Tambula n'okumanya. Tambula n'okumanya.
Ranga was born on the 19th January 1953 at Chabakade village in Nagalama parish in the present-day Mukono district in the Buganda region of Uganda, within the Roman Catholic Diocese of Lugazi. Ranga attended Chabakade Primary School. He entered Nyenga Seminary in 1964. Between 1972 and 1974, he studied at Katigondo National Major Seminary in present-day Kalungu district. He then studied theology at Gaba National Seminary in Kampala. In 1979, he joined the University of Clermont-Ferrand in France, where he studied administration and languages, with particular emphasis on administration. Later, he studied at Pontifical University of the Holy Cross in Roman, where in 1994 he earned a doctorate in canon law. As a priest, Ranga was ordained a priest on 8th April 1978 at Lubaga Cathedral by Cardinal Emmanuel Chiwanuka Ranga. He served as a priest of Kampala Archdiocese until 30th November 1996. Ranga was appointed first bishop of the Diocese of Kasana Luwero on 30th November 1996 and consecrated bishop on the 1st March 1997 at Kasana Luwero by Cardinal Emmanuel Wamala. On 19th of August 2006, Ranga was appointed the third Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Kampala and was installed as the third Archbishop of Kampala on 30th September 2006 at Lubaga Cathedral, succeeding Cardinal Emmanuel Wamala, who resigned. On 2nd February 2020, Ranga issued a decree that Catholics in the Archdiocese of Kampala would only receive Holy Communion on the tongue and not the hand. Owing to his awareness of the common fatherhood of the human race, Ranga promoted interfaith cooperation, active involvement with the organizations such as Uganda Joint Christian Council and Inter-Religious Council. Additionally, due to his deep assimilation of the common force of the church and the state, Ranga strived to cultivate and maintain good relations between the church and the government, to exercise and promote the principles of democratic governance, rule of law, justice, equality, human rights, and socio-economic justice for all people. Ranga was elevated as Papal Chaplain in 1986. In 1994, the former Archbishop of Kampala, the Most Reverend Dr. Spiran Kizito Ranga, was a great promoter of Centenary Bank. He was passionate about the bank's mission of empowering the rural poor, according to Professor John Dumba Sentam, the chairman of Centenary Rural Development Group Limited. Shortly after his ordination in the 1980s, Ranga single-handedly took electricity to his home village at Chabakade in Mukono district. People in the area wondered where the young priest had got the money to accomplish a merge project which involved the allocating of many electric poles from Kalaji to Chabakade, a distance of about 19 kilometers. Ranga was enormously committed to children, women, and the youth. He established children's organizations such as Bana Kizito and Youth Association such as the Carolines to promote their apostolate. He also started various programs to empower women. He worked hard to eradicate satanic religious practices and secretism. He went to greater length and convinced former witch doctors and diviners to abandon their trade and join Christianity. The media has for the last few days been awash with stories of Archbishop Spiran Kizito Ranga, the former prelate of the Metropolitan Archdiocese of Kampala. Ranga died on Holy Saturday at the relatively tender age of 68. In all the stories, the one thing that has featured prominently about Ranga is his passionate commitment to Catholic development. For MRU, I remain Nantongo Diana Larry.
Tambula n'okumanya ku MRU TV ne Royal FM. Tambula n'okumanya. Tambula n'okumanya.